Karen trespassed into a family's home in Chicago to complain about the noise of their Christmas party. She quickly got thrown out by furious family members. The video, posted on TikTok by user Katie Eliana, shows a family delighting in Christmas celebrations as they open presents in their kitchen on the evening of December 24th. Suddenly, a gray-haired woman enters through the kitchen door with her arms in the air and says, "Can I ask you guys to shut it down? It's about 10 after 11, the woman exclaims, pointing at her watch as the stunned family looks on, completely taken aback by her audacity. One female member of the family steps towards the woman and declares, "You are not welcome here. Get out of my house right now." The woman threatened to call the police.
Half of Karen stormed into our Christmas party.
Get the penguin!
Can I ask you guys to slow it down? It's about 10 after 11. You need to, you're not, this is not your party.
Whoa!
Get out of my house right now.
What? In the house?